Hello everybody, I'm Mo and I have lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months, and so have hundreds of our clients, even faster times than me, so I know you can too. So stick around to the end of the video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and take this information down and use it to your advantage. We do it so that you can benefit, lose the weight, and get started on your journey. So let me tell you the most important thing about this video. We're going to talk about how to do weight loss on a budget. I know economy can be tough, so it's very, very important to be able to save money. So the trick is how to eat healthy without breaking the bank. And the way I look at it is ingredients. Ingredients is the answer to being healthy. The macros to your body and the ingredients that you consume are actually what make you healthy. It is not necessarily how many meals you consume a day, how you're consuming them, if you're deep frying them or any of that. I know that's wild to say in some cases, but from everything we have seen, the most important thing is what ingredients you are consuming them, and technically what time of day you are. But in today's video, we're going to focus on people who think that weight loss is too expensive and that healthy food is too expensive. I want to show you guys how to stick on a weight loss diet without breaking the bank and being able to consume lower carb food that does not spike your insulin so terribly. So the first step is to think about what are affordable low carb keto type friendly foods. What foods can I consume that will keep me in ketosis? So best thing to think about, it is the vegetables that are not root based. Anything that is low carbohydrate, you can consume multiples of. For example, broccoli, cauliflower rice, asparagus. Those vegetables are very, very cheap, especially when bought in bulk from something like Sam's Club or even Costco. And those would allow you to sustain a ketosis burning state and actually burn the fat comfortably. Another thing is eggs are so cheap and efficient on this. If you are consuming a lot of eggs, you are actually going to fill yourself really, really quickly, and you will save money. A lot of our coaching clients who don't have the money to buy the expensive items and like the almond flour to make the breads that we do have, a lot of times I will just get them to avoid those things and instead focus on eggs, healthy vegetables, asparagus, and heavy cream. Those are a lot cheaper than when you're buying a lot of junky food, because when you're buying junk food and you're not following a regimen like this, you are consuming 3 times a day minimum, sometimes 4 or 5. If you actually ever sat and did the math, if your budget right now is anywhere from $400 to $800 to $1,200 a month on consumable food, when you do this, it shouldn't be over $500, especially if you're cooking right. I've had people do it under $200 a month. And the trick to it is to use your fasting window to your advantage, but more importantly, to use the ingredients to your advantage. Because if you're consuming the right foods, you will be satiated for a longer period of time and not craving so much food. When you're craving the food is when you end up spending more money on the food. So think of that to your advantage. And more importantly, if you are to shop in bulk, like I gave an example earlier for Sam's or like Costco, you can buy broccoli in big bulk. You can buy cheese in big bulk. You can buy delicious meats in big bulk. And yes, some of those items on the initial price tag look expensive, but once you start following the regimen and doing it right and consuming in the right times of the day with the right ingredients, you will consume less over time and actually end up saving money while healing yourself. So it's kind of an investment to heal yourself, and over time you're going to end up saving more money and literally making money by doing this process. Now, there are some budget-friendly keto or low-carb recipes that you can easily find online. The trick is just to make sure the ingredients are a little bit healthier, and that's the only thing that questions sometimes. Like, instead of getting an egg for a 12-pack for $1, you should be shooting for the organic eggs where the chicken have a lot more freedom and don't have bad hormones running through their bodies, because those hormones do translate to us. Same with like your meat. You want to make sure it is grass-fed. Again, that gets people very nervous. It's going to cost more. But yes, it does cost more for the ingredient. But in the long run, you will save money on the excess food that you are not forced to buy, consume. Dude, if you buy a box of cereal, they're anywhere from $3 to $8. That will last a family one day, right? And you're buying 5, 6 of those a week. I've seen families get those big boxes. You guys, those expenses tend to add up. And a lot of people just don't actually do the math on those expenses and do not know how high they get. Now, we have done this with hundreds of clients in the home coaching, and we have literally seen people get through the whole month with under $200 and enjoy the hell out of it and give us a good review. And we have seen people get through the whole month with $800 and double love it because they consumed a lot more food, and that's okay. At the end of the day, they had results and felt good. So I know you can eat healthy on a budget as long as you put the effort and get the right ingredients. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment below if I missed something. Send me an email, and we'll put our recipe book link below so that you guys can use that to your advantage and find those ingredients. We'll also list the stores that you can get them from. Thanks to the support of all of our amazing customers and partners, we are now offering a free giveaway to a lucky customer monthly on the coaching, all from home, done with you to make sure you lose the weight that you're chasing. And then 2, we offer a free retreat giveaway per person per retreat, and we do 8 of those retreats a year. To enter, all you got to do is fill out the link below, fill out the form, and we'll let you know if you have won the drawing. We do the drawing for the coaching once a month, and we do the retreat drawing about 30 days before the next retreat. We'll send you an email, or we'll give you a call or a text. Do not miss out on this offer, as it is a limited time guarantee to be able to offer it for free like this. But remember, our mission here is simple. We want to help thousands of people lose millions of pounds, if not more. And I know we can help you too. So get started on your journey with or without us. And if you need help, fill out the form below and see if you can win that giveaway. I'll see you guys in paradise and on your weight loss journeys. Thank you so much for watching. We are so excited for you to start your weight loss journey and help the trajectory of your future. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. We'll see you guys on the next video.